Osaka looks very different during the day. Bright sunlight, strong shadows, and ordinary streets. By the way, I'm color grading everything in this video with Dehancer. Before moving forward, let me briefly talk about what Dehancer is. Dehancer is a film emulation plugin that makes the photos and the videos look like a vintage film instantly. They have dozens of presets that make the look with a few clicks. Dehancer isn't just about editing. It saves so much time for artists and creators. It creates business opportunities. I have made a dedicated tutorial videos for Dehancer in Lightroom here, and also Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve right here. If you're interested, please check it out in the description below. Please don't forget, you can get 10% off your purchase using coupon code TAKUYA in the description below. Now let's dive in. I recently came back to Japan after living in Hong Kong for almost 10 years. Hong Kong is where I started photography, but now I'm seeing Osaka differently. Digital images today are incredibly clean and sharp, but sometimes they feel a little too perfect. Film has something different: softer highlights, subtle grain, and more organic color. Dehancer tries to recreate that feeling digitally. want to get the same high quality film looks, click the link below and use the code TAKUYA for 10% off your Dehancer license. Transform your video today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.